ni slay queens equal school no musians and adwuma ka ho ankeboa wo nka wanya ban mo adwuma nya akaba wo meso nsa no adwuma nso gas yi wo do mkoto adwuma wo so menye wo nyansa as a mother as a father wo nyansa se dabi me bana ko school wo nimde onimade because me kanya me asam na me san ka ware semunti and I may borrow this area just a little bit, and I'm not here to crucify no one, but we have to face the facts. Mama no ebi a one papa na ware ache. Now all of a sudden, we have funu ba e grow kunu ho e social media. Say ye kokuo mu kra etumi frɛ ni pakra so ma me gya manenka. Enne nkameya yesese obi ye bibia. We are watching some we are bibi wakukum na a video keka, Mr. Be wise. It will go viral. Why? Because some people or the better because sometimes crano yet be preaching. We want the preaching to go. Because we'll be able to watch why you're preaching on tempo. If we really want the preaching to go, we bring a little bit things that goes on to put it on so that people will listen because nipa epe nsem it's foforo bi enetie a o mo mpanya miasem ti bible no kra kan wo setoro bi a momfa ne enten ni bi namfo nti toro bi a na yakofa ho kakra na amanipa no will be excited to listen nti wotuni ina at the end of the day no na wo say nyanyankopon asem nti we are not bloggers no but it seems like say bloggers ni bi nsem o mo kan mfa nipa nkonkwajem yesu ye kan sama di nipa be konkwanji tactics ben ye betuma yisu ama omo a itwaso mu tie nyame asem no so tie so we have to scoop a little bit and bring it in and then we move on and that helps for them to listen. We are not interested about what goes on say no. It's because people are dying day and night and we want them to hear the word of God. That's why we always bring something like that into it so that people will hear. At the end of the talking, no will be at the end of it, no wasaka. Me pato what ya see. Me tia sam no me feel man yire. Mami no twa me tiwe, me nka bi hye na mada. Meti me ni nam social media. Mami no twa kunu na ni obi di nkomo yi. Ana me kunu be sore. Ano papa obeti na ni social media mami ano to wane ne obi chat ya oye na tade be ne show so ni gina hono me hwe e na de no wo kansem oye bemo oye obao enye easy to go through that enti me mami enene ma how are they going to feel se be that school maybe they were in college or high school sir people will bully them. When they say something, they will be like, shut up. Your dad is all over the place. Okay? They will bully you, especially Omo Atema. Who are wouldn't and what them straight or do ma no papa them. Those people, they will use this to destroy you. Ebraso say ma yenida. Asimpia wunyamia semba kambia yenokre. O kachira wo se dwane adwama ma wo nim de adwama mu firi mu ba o kachira wo se chon ho firi oba eho a onim de timi de ba emema nyame bo wo mo se ne suban so ne seso emema wa kokoduro ato o ma ye sesem mpreduasa aboaso pie nwura mu a enu nyina bubu ni presence eye chesenya asem ketwa but ye kan boa wotumi ku aboa wo so na o ye kete ene koto ni aboa wotumi ku so wo ye kete nso wo so no fiti kotia no wo ba enu nyina bubu a chesenya asem ketwa ne kase ne se di wusiti enti enu ya kura ni enwura ntimi standing on his presence aboa no presence but see ye ba ni obetumi ekrim na hye ho ama wadore moa eye koto nti sa obehwa aboa so ko nsuo ma kono mu nsuo a enye nsuo ahono na ye ne den na opese wono mu nsuo ahono eye ni danger person na wo pe ne kudu na wo nsuo num na aboa na ye fre na koto ni nti aboa so de ne nan bitietie nsuo mu nyina ma nsuo na hono se de be ya se koto bi wo mu a onyema na kofom anza na wono mu nsuo no nye nsu fin na ye oso no de eye ne no ma wan killer a wo nsuo num nti ene wo sore a wo be no mu nsuo a onfiti preko femfa ne nutunu nko no nsuo mu odi kan tietie mu ma nsuo no nyina wo beko anabo so na de na wo kire na nsuo so ku besi ama wo be no ma ene so je so wo hono no ni nyina ne se akwo bi wo bua wo no wo ye easy onya ko wura ne hwinum se woma e kwan askoto fa so ku mo so no no so wan tietie nsuo no ma make sure se koto bia presence ni ho no de na no kokobom no nya kwan ne hwene no wa no wo wura mu a obeye niema wo ni tiri no ma wo de ni tiri be pempem nua saa obekọ no wo sana memati they were big omo presence nyasem ketwa obu okwa wo hu na won sere wo ntumi kora nchia no obu okwa wo hu na nanim se de wo sitie ne bonyo face ne na you can't even speak to him, but there is one person who can ubit me krimu ne dam obekọ ne secret place no ye child kora no ya kwala kitikiti nso opia bonten a ne hu pa o te sesebo so what you say but nipa wo tumi ma ne ye e da from flat e oba me hu die Delilah e de ye Samson. Delilah, a petite woman, just a smallish lady, beautiful. A whole Samson. I would tell me two cromuna pro, a pona yadia to cromu say, or to me so say no, I was soon and what to what watching. What to me, bois a bois say jata, or why the noon say, no to naturally. Now, just a lady, just a common, a woman, a lady, just a baya, just a baya. And to me, the Samson to form flats. Me kind of son who will be tomorrow in the car with the fear woman, not trouble. Was the fear woman. Am I a very boy in the way see a share who's we can shut the whole city down. I mean, we can shut the whole world. Se Marco striker, member by more boss. But we are the one also that ya board no ya tena na mana yeselua. Yes. I know, sir, you can't just even enter to Mr. Kandapa's office just like that. You will go through some securities before you get there. And it's easy to just have his presence and start talking. But a woman, she bring him just like that. Our national security, right? Or your national security. Nyeko. And the way you have to, and my mema, mukuta de beer, and you mukuta musu. And your baby and your man a coin. A man a bay. And I did be our coso, yeah. One day, a Pia Bonting. Now I know, sir, God loves Mr. Kandapa or Donopa, Eradi Don. A bay manipa, say, ye be exposu wa bonting, dancer or betray Yanko Poisane. Nana Timujum. Wa exposu because ye exposu na e bi akonya wo hobi to massacre no wonya nkwa makra but sa wo twena wu na Yesu Kristo betena na dwanu mu enye yizi da no mesra urade se omma papa no nimra no so de asi minim se na o dwendwen bebre wonu ne ho sa na Satan tie obema wa ya de before you know say adi we di bebe ko say yim no wa expo no go ani mo say sa na Satan tie entina na de bia ye ninje ho because won fa na de nchakwa Se papa yere and one no did do say I'm not sure I can remember my man award. Come back for family kunu a trophy see back. Nam the amount award and me you be or concan nanki up your rap on the camera the letter come. Nanki the cock command so one ye or mo why dear or be a branty and any. So what you see? By now it looks like ye papa no ma. Ye kwa warrior. No problems beba. Near the young samba cockatoo manim no mbeka mayano. They are out there. Say no, day. I feel for his wife. Minimi couldn't worry with you, baby. All of a sudden, Nka enkoye security baby nam penifo bi mframe. Ade say na ukudoye. Nti yesro ma me facha. We di social media enam framum. Ya papa. Ba me say ma me ne say. Nyame akone ntokwa ama no. Nti won kana koma ntoliyem. No fa papa ne bon ne nche no mo nko fa ma na wo say right now no papa ne hu I can see say when no because we be just a nipa one na keteso and funny teen to some years. This is a lesson one I can tell so one learn pa ti me say ma me ne say on je mu manenka na on ne nyame ase se sade we see. It could be worse. It could be worse, mama. And into yesre rade ma. Ebi kwa wako nkuto juma bompai wako woman unyame anye wa ye wo busade de ama. Nti we kaya seda. Na wape fufu bia ma papa na di we ye nkobusa no na ye sei eye. Social media kasa. Nyame akasa. Wonu ankasa wona ma me kai na miswa. Na my sister tonkente o airport. Ti me makwan no de meko. Obi ewu mi akola we de ohun fe o. Efri papa bia no what aka nim se ne case bi ba me bi etwa ma chapa. Don't go to Aka near to Aka's office. And go Aka office across the ohun twa no. And go closer to his office. Satam nem se no problem bi say yaba. Na social media nenye too much to say for people to talk about it. Tina de dankofo an ti ye besra ye maame no as a mother eya ene ne ma na ye mfa papa ne born nche na ye nche ne mra. This is a lesson for our young men and our older men. Umfanye futu na bibie ni hono mo satan or de chekwa ade bia wo be ye no at the end of the day he will expose you. One expose you obeku. Nti wadwe me also would you be di ne uni ni ye bibi wo secret omo kura ye dangerous so child ye wonam abonte se wo metal on de wadi kan so wo taw na de ye me ya kakra ye me hwe yi ho ana me hu se Canada Japan eti wo ye guess no mo baji di obetua mo be nti na chese that means that's what you guys are doing. Just say, a main pen you may guess is woman you may is you guys are the one paying their bills. Until now to your man for I want you is because someone who to bafu cry china so will be on will be shaking or sponsor. Nature some will be more calm, and a moment Uncolana to a tissue woman and no woman just so. I will must woman tubia. Eh, yeah. I did not expect to so better than I say. No, because a mobile jiddy will be to your mobile, mamma. Sir, almost so no more dangerous on the back on the head. Me papa kwanyam che no you be open mapa bas wunni na wo ba me won hwe ya wono be ko ahye o to me ka kire obi so di tu be ba ne fie me ka kire nso no wono no wo montra people like that omu ye twitwa mene omu sura ye na me sre ye memum yes ye memum panifo mum na tenase papa no bibi say aba kamo ba ya na makasa kama penny to penny na mo na kasa na de oye bie no wajai we de mo de aya sresem ete wo se wo mbedi bi obeti o mo bills ade ma ne ye dangerous yo ba ni kunu pe ema otumi de yare be heya wo ma wu onkwaso tumi twante ema ne bi so tumi de wo kwa aduro so koye niema bia ti ba ma bi ho no tumi bo ne yiri kunu because obi ewia edom akodi obi side nti wo be ye tantade obi wo so anye se wo ba mu keke o stand wo konam nuro so especially wo sika wo ma ne bibidie nti they come in to kill or they put you into trouble ema bebre enya HIV ene yare wo bia enya wo mo ane kokofa ye wo mu kunu ne kofa de bre wo enunti ena ye boni pa kokose stay away from such women a man wo de ye ba ko pe onyame dia ma wo ma woni nso de wonya nso no eni bre ena mani pa yesa ena so fufu bi ye o man penifo bi ye nti o man nyina so wo hin o man ni nyina so he fa ne gina se krunu mani munyamfo e bossa bre ya o man no he fa na egina misre wrade so ohu ye mo minim yi pasa papa yi woni no misre wrade sa papa na tim on tie no na onfa ne boni nche na misre papa no so se die esi ma on mebi because ne yiri betumi ewu because of adwendwen ma me no betumi ewu because of thinking me yemu ba come on I are wholesome and the guess ni bibiri wu young boys ni bibiri wu ujun want to say gone too soon na do soon because of bonia ebinum die. But when you talk about it, they say, oh, you are judging. We are not here to judge. We are here to tell people to be careful. Oh, yes. We are here to tell people to be very careful. Bible can see Johnny and Jamamo. And Jamamo ni be a dear when you make bosswa. Because was said your boy Jamino or bo at the say or no one casa. Minipedia. Into a catch, let's say Johnny and Jamamo. Johnny Jamamo, the beer ready walker. And so Jamamonia dear, you munishi. Your Bible no call Jeremiah chapter 3 verse 9. Your Bible Nico. Jeremiah chapter 3 verse number 9. Go there. Just say, what you don't want to see? What you don't want to see? Oseme edwamamo a wan mu no hwinti ogu asase no ho fi na one obo ni dua oh wait osena edwamamo a wan mu no hwinti ogu asase no ho fi what you say obi timika na we so news na de na moyiro mo de won ye bone da no nto bo mo ba no oh yes e wo musa e de se nka sofo bi emprichi ki emprichi o kosi ne si nyina ye bone onyankopon ni monyam boye na afi sakra wadwe no onyame pese ye kan ne so firi so what you say obi aye bone de nti no onyankopon bone nti no we preachers say ye hu sa yen ka ho se na nipa wotim no onyai na wo kan so make sure say sa adwuma no wonni bi because wo di bi wontumi mfam na me ye ne akokoduro nka ho se so wo ye bi na betena second ya na ene no ma wo ye hypocrite basta wontim bi a eno no wo se wo nua no wo ko wo mu nti hwim ne frigem nti si ebe kase na mo na mo judge dodo na de onye boni da no onto bo ene onyame se ye preach repentance nye dai e di nti no se ye nko preach yanko kanchi mi poso won sakra na dwen no so ahenye na be adwen sakra mu de ahen no woka ho asemi we nyina ka ho but to do we you mu no hwe o na de be ma ko boy de man na mu nti bi da o musu mu nyai nti ye pese ye ma ye normalizing na wonyame asem no entimi nitintimai. People want to normalize it, but wonyame mpe wonyame wompe wonyame mpe nti na ye ka ho asem ye can want some na was you make sure say we won't do the same thing and come back and point fingers whereby the four is looking at us. Until before we back us and be saying no one make sure say which in a year. And yes, I want to be fun mammy and casa. Until so say young country ni pass one sacra and was right in a bendia. And you won't saboni ba. We have to talk about it. Now will be our teacher one young comuno and quancotum. So what do you say? In the minimum be din come be brave. In the minimum be din come be brave. I mean me say, Onyame so ebe boa me. Ama enema akoyie. Onyame be boa me. Be your Bible no call Hebrews chapter 13 verse 4. Hebrews chapter 13 verse number 4. Your Bible no call Hebrews chapter 13, verse number 4. Your Bible, Nicole. Or say only our DNA, a dini name. Now, when our dear pa, a hoof, if we say, or say, on your mamma for ne, our sell ye for dear, on your coupon be born at 10. Ote. Until we have to say this. Or see a jamamo for any hour say for dear, when you may be born at time, or see mu our young pattern free. Say your sister so we couldn't wear here, while one young panel in wooden fin. Because we'll be a jamamo for, or Baba Bay our say for no. Bible is soon, you may be born at time. Ntisa kokobo we, or see a demon nipa. Awo te sa boninim awo ko sa boninim nti si akasa de onya boni dan to bo mo ba no nti we na mo nti bi da na mo ka ho asema then asem we na ni onyame kiro ye den no se hifo na nka nti nipa de bia won kenkan Bible no onim nti wo se de sa kokobo ibre no ni ye kire no agene onyame bo fa sankofo ne ho na wa kye ne ho aye den afiri ho. But say yes, young candia. Then a coin be soon be no befa, or move with the sadia me ye cry and yet. Me pacha what ya say. We have to be because there be a sabria me no say. Obi no be keka, Nina say, Onyante so on your min pesadi way. What ya say, into be no be keka, oh, normal. I was say, until I was say, ye preachers, no. We have to sit down and open the Bible and tell people, say, I deal with ya walk on when you may want pay. The one will be a ya will be a cast and news, no, when you may want pay. Was so one our dear you cast it be near or patcher say. Di adekrono dinini. Ye in one anymore say, and yen ye mofun tiano, and 15 cocano dinini cleaning or yanakama. Nti wose wonni awade ni ade nyinam na wonwu awade mpa ho fi efri se adwamamofo ene awarese yefo de onyankopon bebu wona ten atem woni nti ene yete ade kokobo braw se de wuye no onyame wo bebu aten nti jai. So what you say? What's the one who onyame du be kwa timu dwan wo bu aten so wo be di fo wo di fo so wo du be to gem nti ye dia yam hyehye e ka kire wo se di awade mpa ni enwu fi na yakasa kire oba wo se wo bia wale se onyankopon se wo be bu aten nti wo hia wo bi kunu no wo fra wa ye mpa wo hye wo motom ni dwan wo hia wo ba bi no wo defe wa ye mpa wo hye wo motom ni dwan because agene wo nyame was masankofo nani. That's why we talk about it. And ye mind some penning for. Okay, they were leaders. Leaders, they have to lead by example. I was from ya DNA chilmanisia. Nti sa boni biba. Once I will do a minus so your taxes ni tria womuka. Any bibi no, we have to talk about it. Nti will be a cano. Eh, na preachers the moye then I'm also will be some obi when you will be. Oye ye my mum penning for a batrono, a Christopher to be a software, eto abanibi. And ye you almost a mind penning for whom dear so. Until we have every right to talk about the things that they were doing wrong. But it looks like people don't like the truth. No kure nipa mpenti ene ye ne o. Nkola mpene kure, mpenimfo mpene kure. Obia si wonim de eyema no obia si wonim nyansa, wonim de wo so wo ye wonim ne right. But it true baby na echia. Until we have to talk about it. We have to talk about it. Yanka yenue. Say yanka sister brother yenue. Echapa si di aware eni. Etwa se yesa. Enima bebre ekoso. Na Proverbs sekan 22:3 oso unitifo ohu boni beba odi ne hu anita. Onipa nitifo wo hu se Yesu Kristo dia pimu oba asase so na wo be chi nipa togemu no. Sa nitifo no hu sa boni ne se eba odi ne hu yinta. Bi o Bible no ko Proverbs chapter 22:3. Proverbs chapter 22 verse number 3. Megusa. Etwe aduonu mienu. Nchichemu miensa. Oso wonitifo hu no bone ebeba na ode ne ho ahinta na ntete kwa afamu na wonya asotwe. Tu obi a wo se bone ba na wo be kwa akoso adaso aye bone no wo ya tete kwa. Nti wo be fa sa bone no ma Awurade Yesu Kristo ba beto no na wonya asotwe e wo bone odi yeni. But we need to for you what they can so when the media tem will be back will be chini part to them into one sabon in this eba into Johnny no than who hinta. Obi o yet to quano, one was a bonny body, then so in tete quieti or be fum no conya so chain no could default a were radiating. Sunday cost this time. E die ne firi soro bete bayira homamu ama ha bayira mo akese me hu ye pani uduru mpani mfiri so baabi a lessons a walenia before we be hit sa age no e be ye futuo e de machiri ma ene wo ma wo ba wo mu nuru ho we nsu de da bi o e futuo e wasa ye de machiri ma ene wo mu nuru age ye duru no aye de be mo no ye de wasa ki tu wo mu fo se mo nye no ye mo be hu se ye ntidie na wo mu be ye. So what you say? Me kind of me was school. Me a time me guess SP. So guess SP you teacher ba and I say ye master. Ebe shesha environment woni ye proper cleaning here. Ye dia sudi na bomb me. Adinti na man she amma obia anye na djuma se ni fata. Ye timi le me wo parade as a guest SP. So what you say? Inti guest SP will be a late as a guest SP. Me mean to me late. So we'll be as a woman school, I guess I have to be there. District and penning for but school mu honoma ne ye wo se ye hwe ne bibia flowers bibia ye clean. As a guest SP, I have to check and make sure everything is fine. One time I happy me. Me master division parade. Or bomb me 14. Me can wish a share. Guest SP ye bull or parade at Shrek. Some man ye medjuma ye. Nti penny se uwa semba. Because of penny nti, we have to talk. Se ko obi eniwa eno de no wa fa ahodi eno so kra wonya me wa hu. Nti we cannot keep our mouth shut because say omo ye mpanimfo nti no. The things that they were doing wrong, we have to point it out. Now young boy be a worry open mapa and go fortune and trusting to the process and the enemy. I feel maybe a social media papa penny papa so nay say into one also dear obey. So what he has seen Tinny when him say, one no I be him as long who warrior. Line be any woman bema say want to me go for back for to me at your pet. Now the one who did me pass me see no dear no be in one. Into through this no I want you be essay. I want you be say. The one shall dance sacra and before we walk or champion. So what I say? Or before we a cock champion. And in the beerada. Ye bokoko, because we have to say it. Yanka yinye. Proverbs waka bibi. Ye futua and they say Emma made the man. Proverbs chapter 6 verse 20. Proverbs chapter 6 verse number 20. Osemeba bu waja emransem na entu wona nkyerɛkyerɛ entwene fa kyekyere wakoma ho da nyina nafa bibare wokon ho ehia. So what you see obi na tu ne ba for you nti company fu tu nkolafo no matchra wo nema eye ne de enye because when you do baby what pass through a lot of things. Into lifestyle be ye futu ma obi a wonu baby a wadu nti se nipa wose sabre yi no ono ne de ne lifestyle ene futu ne de wo hu abrabom etu obi fo no eyi the same thing and afedi ye mpanim fo we ye futu fo wo he where are they nti so wo baby ne kunu be ma ne prema wo kan wo ntie na e say Mr. Kandapa efie ben no o se papa we ye pani ma me fa se mi nkoto nanima efutu bei en ode be ma be ma no saa bre ya ni videos circulate with social media one ji you dey asem ne kwakoto wo kunu be ka se for asem kwa fifi wo na papa no kwa wo no kwa wo ye de chance a nti ama ye futufu asa ye ni bi nti ne ye ntumi ntuye mafo na say me hu abranti bi ewo YouTube me kaisa makana sempe omo frɛ no nana Kwame bedi ako oye billionaire se say wo Ghana wo sisi hotels ni ade wo Ghana nyeko omo frɛ no nana Kwame me hu so wo Ghana ni no I was interested to check. Now the guy used a word. Na etoma kumaso. Me hu baby no atoka mane mami. The mother was blessing him. And I saw one of his interview. O sine mami tunefo. Echreno abrabo na ne papa wo. Now, Onuna go through the same path that the father go through. And till someone never make a train was go opposite what his father did. And no nama sabri or dasujina baby ojina. Senane papa ne ye masem or ye nima bi ensem fata. maame no de de otena na wade na si wo hunu ye ene de papa ne ye ya amwa omawade ama ne manko ye edi nani etete no no enam se obatan wodo ne banti no o che ne ba na tena ase etu ne fo kire no what to do and what not to do. Said you better all go the same way as the father did. And he went opposite way and it helps him. Umubusano, age ben aware was 23. That's young as a millionaire. Or say yes, me too before. I have to be responsible. I have to be responsible man. Because man wari satam na. Nkamenya girlfriends bewa. Nti kamu hudi muhuni. So what you say? Oh, you're responsible man. Nti sa wanye sa. O baby anso pen o bi anso baby o de ne befa. Nti at the end of the day no, ni sika nka waso yi focus. Na de nshira dana so no, obetumi de do level bi no, e mad ne be hwefom. Nti maame ne ka kire no, say na papa ye. And I want you to go opposite to what your father did, and he did it and it helps him. So what you see? I was like, wow. A billionaire, yes, Nkola. He's a billionaire. Ghana Kola. Most of the time, yes, there are certain things they have to talk to us. They have to talk to our husbands. When you couldn't try, you said you sit in Timani to make us say, you couldn't your problem now, or say, Sana papati. But instead of so, bed done a bano, no be 24 to say, Nana, at the same, Kwame Bedia Kumami, it 24 ne, Nisika Pinja, and in the Japan, what to me, at the same real estate mogul. At this age, you know, they did not do that. Onimpase the papa no de ne fam nyina the same thing na ne ba ne ye but onka e ko ba ne sa ma me wan do ba suboy papa ne yi na di no cho ba na tena se ene ne nkasa wo papa me ne na wade no to say at the end of the day bi kwa me ntumi na mobra because of ni suboy bi wo yi na di wo so wo koi wo ko fa obi ba me sro yi hwe she oba wo ware oba say na wo papa ye amwaye wo de change kwan no e ma no me edi ne so no mane ni wo so e ma wo kwan en nante na namumu nante Kristo anamumu fa urade ne mo. I was looking at him and I'm like, is this guy a Christian? No. Mama no lay hands in the vanity so she pray. Bless the guy. He's closer to his mother. Moms are smart. They can feed you. Some of them can poison you, but some of them can feed you wisdom. Until we be sure. And go through all these things. But at the end of the day, be able to shine a balance on kwaso early age. Tika mame ne be boa me ba bra mame nu kasa. E be suba oda ne di sa na ne papati. Tactics we na me use ye e boa me pa. Ntu se bibi say because sa na me hu me ba no. When you see this I do this, when you see this I do that. But no, they want you to go through it and suffer. And some of them also, because of the way they were going through, they say they don't want to get closer to those moms. If you want to know the secret of your husband, ask his mother. Start from his father. Maybe a queen papa no, and the mom and she transify. No one chill a day. Never was so wisdom, no be boa beman and no monko so. Our real communication in the poorest marriage ever. Me papa could see when I can see inclusive forward. Our dear lucky communication. And it is said you would not now chain and play. mpoano so nya airport ye twen cheap wo ete se di wugina mpoano na ho na wo twen airplane ukuta wo passport ni obi bia wo be board wo plane ete se di wugina e de say airport na wo twen ship. Communication is great. Unu obi tena mo communicate onim de ha onim de ha awari be bredi nti onyame ntimi nhira mo ne se onyame ompe disunity onyame pe unity mo kambom na mo ya adwenkro bibia ho onyame hira mo ba wo ya adwene wo ha onyame hira mada. You will never get blessings from God because ohu se sakasaka wo nti wonhwe ni hira mu so da. But say unity wo na mo kambo mu a mo bompa ye djuma onyame sane hwie ni hira gumo so e ma brabo ko yi but say wo hwe wo ya djene wo ha wo ya on hira mo da. Sanity. Communication is great in marriage, but we the ato and this one is our communication. We communicate with our phones. Ube unsa wo yire hye baabi no osiri dwamu a ono obi na edi nkomo. Ube unsa wo kunu hye baabi osiri dwamu a ono obi na edi nkomo. But nipa wona ne tifia wo hwe nanim hwe wanim no ono ne nkomo da. Nti se bibi ha nipa kro na kro wonim. O go through certain things kro wonim. Me gidi ye pasa buchra obi kunu betumi ewu no onim se ni kunu obi yire betumi ewu adadam no onim se na yire wu because oni na ni nkomo wo mfa no odidi wie no pia no ano woko o mmompo mebusa se te sei efie te sei onye nti se bia da no wo da ye no ya bi kan wana dwo na wo da wo mpam wo wu a wo be da o 3 days no bi enim se wo wu nso na ni nipa netifie ni nyina ne se no communication. It's very sad. And the man be ma pia wonte so ko for ba foforo lack of communication. Me yire no me ni udi nkomo me kunu no me ni udi nkomo me ma wo hu de ha me de ha me eni ma ekosa eni ma nkoye eni ma me nansan no me no nhie mu de eni ma nkoye se ni se na me pesa wo ye ma me se ni na me pesa wo ye eni ma akorokoro bibia ekoso kama asumdwe ho. But because of lack of communication ti mema bebre wo mu na fie, they don't sleep home anymore. They enjoy themselves out there. And that is bringing disgrace to the family. But they don't know. Mami Fubi, they see what is going on, but they don't talk about it. Mami chuba bema no kasatre no 24. Wona wa uba utumi 24. Emfa woni age awo. No. Speak to his brains. Obano ne yire problem ba busana questions. E dienti na ma we aba. No no so nya ne correction. The same as we mama na so wo baba. Speak to your daughter. Wabana mi kuna ise e dienti na ukuna say. Chenetina se 24. If you ne kuru bibi say ba, ye ne say ni enko ye ni. But now our children are learning our behaviors. Your money share. What was the papa circulate with social media so for ba or generation no chiro ba nti ne ba no de no be. Now 90% of our kids youth member masturbation and yasem ketwa. Now let me tell you, your man now they were teaching them how to do abortion in the house. Because government is not supposed to be abortion biom. Until now, you know group bit baby. They were teaching our children how to do abortion from home. Sasum Jenny Fia, when I mentioned about say 24. And then Kolana masturbation. And Kolan kitten, they were losing their virginity through masturbation. Asum Jenny Fia. Wamu ba ya no mu se maame ne papa no kore ye ni wo montem communication nya adwuma nti wo bia te ne ba bi nti akola koro no when na betena se 24 examples brain ye di kira akola no na dachi wo nyina wo sua. But when they go out you see them in their coat wo be share wo fra no ntoma boniduku fe but examples that was show man ma e go through that steps oni. Oni nti emane ya nti a lot of broken homes. Some man and papa they were kuru ye no wo dot na ase ko mbetu obo ba ne fo se enko hu je we jade jaso enko fa wo papa emfa ne nye sugar daddy enko hena de jaso no nyame chiri nka ababa woni benya sefutu yi ba enam se communication kuru ye enye djuma odonye djuma e wa busua no munti no akola ne pia no an se woko because wo ni futufo baby you betu ni fo no ijada ho nti won na etu ni fo nti wo de saa benyini nti wo ko aware ni behavior nti na ni kunu di na tam wo ma mi suban na wafa na na yiri di na tam wo papa suban na wafa nso bi ameka se na papa no wote ne baby na djuma wanye nti edi nti no nyame ma nipa ne binyini ne bi so ni nyina ne se wo bi nyini dru baby a wa pass through yes bebre wo hu niema bi eye ne de enye na wo de etu akiri manofo wo ko ho wa kira sa han ko ho mi so me fa ho amoa me nti mfa ho. We worship our jobs, we worship our money, and we neglect our family. Sane koso o doni kuliye se papa eni die power wadi mu be ma mfiri ne yire chi da o ko yire mfiri ne kule chi da se eni die ni wo do Yesu Kristo kan ho asem se wo kunu do yire se die bi Kristo me do asafo no o ba ya die emre women are weaker vessel sa ho brasie power wadi mu o ba bre wo si hye kuna se no matter what o ba be put me fu the whole month o se me no aduane kura na nkampese me no wada ijakura me nso anu no aduane mani na nkampese mpamu agrokra me no wada nti wode de sana be ma no so nam so ni nyame asenti no so no nam wo ko inso ye ni ma mienu adase wo ko te ya mi bi dia brewo na be ku ntam anase nipa wo ko kofa no wode wo ko nam nnu so aku afiri wiase sanity and ye man no say yo because of yen yemre ye ho asenti ye man no say sanity and Maya na say and mema na say because you go ya wadi empa ho fi nti ye tie ma wonyame won tie yen nti se ye ni ma ne kasa tumi bi anim nti wo ntie example ben you show chire nkola no nti wo do wo no fa ho be and most of the time we are doing things that we think is when me mani so wo munni me One catcher. Na mi sapa. Ena me papa. Oni mami bi. Empana chain. Mami na de won ani. Na me papa so spend pa. Ti o suro se me papa ahia me papa be ni bibi. O ko se me papa sika o se o buy o papa e pese e do so de hu ye na fabra. Akola keto sika me bondo se ye de eyi afemfam ho. Etimi to kuma sifie. The obasi hu ni ye no de ba no. The hu ye, the okai. The okai no de ba no. And then me sopa. So e da so me kai, e wo mitirim me kai. E twa me picture. Until you might think it's what you're doing, no. The children don't see it, they see it. One day, obi jina woni maka wasem. Na obi su, na wonya obi obi pepa woni ase ni su ama oda no. Obenya problem am waka kire se obi tu ne fo beka se oja wasem. Woni me papa ti mi husuban oda na di. Woni me ma me tena ye no me husuban oda na di kire me ma me ntijai. Wo kro de ye kan me kan bi. That day you will cry, but you won't have anybody to wipe your tears. Ntinya waje sem kola bi na na omote no. Wo gene na ye sharp, they record things. When they see your face, they know say niam nkoye, they know it. They know it. But when you kola nti wo ntumi nkasa, but a day will come, a bit show mo se video, they will show you. That day you would think you say you can go back and change things. Now you're too late. Now you're too late. Ekunom ne yire nom. Ebraso si ebetumi so ye manim. E de wo mo gina bre papa bia. Etwa se free ye so. rushing from home. And near my woman till school, no, near my kettle. It is one guiding colano pa. It will be able to be preached a man of young. Your mammy need a father. Because me preaching on my body be so bad, or my body language, my who say yes. Nti oma na your mammy ne need a father. Nenino A4. Last Miss Original home, a tissy Miss Rebecca Sacom. Miss Original on my Bible bomb, 1 to bread, bed 3 o'clock on. I'm say a deep beer cosoa, and you may be Koyoha. And you may be Koyoha, and I want to, whoever is doing this should change immediately before something bad happens. Afeme kasasa nesu mesumi huhio, but in my spirit it's like, speak to these children, speak very well, warn them. I didn't want to school, I didn't go to school, yet to say how many of us have time? When you meet me signal on my own dear coso. When you meet me signal on my own dear coso. Bibi coso, who are we pedium or signal on my own. Emma, you look for it and you find it. What to be kata when they say no be swatch or video? No, I'm on dear coso, Nina, Edisio. Into boss of now the mommy will be for now. No. We need rather than sanity. Sanity. Sapepepe. By into me, Entna Sujum, Nan Campus, ye near rather than my cron. Until you may be a fire sick without knowing it. And you may be a fire sick without knowing it. And the Ebinu ko wound them. Age and nipa enjoying the marriage. From me from 30, 40, 50, 60. Sa column hoka krebilo. Sa e hoka krebi say. So when to me yen nije. Now must say time kwan wo abinsu sa age nyina besi sister. Why we? Cause if you walk on Ebinu die yade nko a. Adwendwen nko a. And you may be inquire. But Satan no sooner Satan take very, very well. 30, 40, 50, 60. And when I Satan Gina Pa was Shemukina, a year near a wasty years. Satan walk a credible. And when I Satan was both for boom. No amount waste years and no wasty. Nti tama wo mani nyina be firi wo nkyɛn akɔna ebeka wo no wo yiri wo kunu nko ano na nka wo pese wo besesa nneɛma na hode ni hɔ biem na hode na sa sata me yare adwo mi koto dwe me ya wo mfa ayi mbɛkyekyere me nan akosi misisi ye me ya wo nyim mi sei ma ha no miti ye me ya me call doctor's appointment ya ye wo dwendwene beto nipa so. But tama hodi no no e wona Satan so when shemu kena nti se wo nwuna you waste your years in marriage. So what you see? Who be waste years no? Years no so dru baby a ahodi ni wade ne de wo ya na America for cry han wo adwuma ne for adwuma no wo ya ye dru baby e retirement ne ma akọ retirement ni nyina ne sa adwuma wura hu sa wo hode ansa aban ne hu sa hode ekuta ntim ne bi mtukọ na foforo mra omo fa ye adwuma kora wo na mo tia wade mu this age na mo abuse this age are wasting this years na nkokora brem abra obi ani no ho hoto ya ye ne niema eto nipa so did the room. Tia, yes, I'm my money say. You can't, you be a knock or that. They don't see it from our house. Until one can come up and no could do, baby. Jesus said, love your wife as Christ loved the church and all. When no show, sa love no, I want my men and papa on tears here, they don't practice it. Until one also no one so no musa or kono kushia or baby, who wants to know about you're confused. And now they need to say, the open one and one who be with you into what practicing ye. Said you won't send on the mammy and the papa, no. You won't hear and no be one so yet the nature one. Well, who be? Well, who be? Obi when who send the mammy and the papa crash or months and I'm that. Obi when who send the mammy and the papa tia conqueni has a bon commoda. A be and see that or corner juma. Oba na ju obedidi wia o makoda ade eche wo kɔ na dwuma unhu se wone ma ame te wato obasako mu e di nkomo ba ko nan da ba ko na so e bubu mowre massage o ma nhu bi da entidie na won ofa ge na wakofa na ba no brother na wakofa no die na won ofa no onim se dure nwumra ma oba ne okunu oba timi chinchiri na oni ni kunu siwo we isa kakra gu ne na we isa kakra gu ne mu ne ye bubu ma wore ne ye bonkomo ne ye bonse ye wa hu bi da di onim ne papa ne se papa ne ko adwuma ba ne nimu nyina kunkun onsere de bia o ye serious ubon so wosere ana one ne nafofo na wofo so that's what he does nti akola no de na wonhia na wode akodo obi ba onim ye nti so okoni ebo no ko adua nti na nipa no bebre wokọ aware wacha hwiebe 6 months na gu because aware na nkasa no onim ade koro onim se di sitie onim nyuma e wosa wo ye wo ho wa hu bi ya nkyere no ene ho school ni ho ni yakase ko school e ko du sei adwuma bia ye ko mu school ko certificate aware nko na woni certificate unsua bibia practice hwe ni ya ma certificate ade a unsua ni edi kan ma ho certificate na ade a mimi nsua wadi kan ma ho certificate die biem na mi nkosua ho ade kro wo se ka bi hia nsa na ya ma mi certificate no yes mi nyi certificate na nsa enti certificate ni kutamede a ende se mi ni problem ade biem na mi nkosua ti ama ye man. Your man say, Nkolano they see whatever they see and no more practice what one thing. Say papa you drunkard, ne bano so they practice the same. A one no more shall see free. Say papa you jaman foa, a one on the basha see free. Oti asie say papa changing ma, a one on the basha see free. Into a warrior who send papa ye be to so ye be a papa tina konkwani ase twitwa nsanwe bura eno no wonim saa no wono so wo pe saa no pe so wono so ye nti di ohu ye no eno no wo practice ye so what you say yes nti ama aye ya this time aware kura de jai especially wo mo nya papa bi nase antena maami bi nase obi okura na down the road wo ne papa ne jai nti ne ho asem papa bi ne ho be ka kire wo nti niema nkoye nti wodi dim saa na wakofu bi ba na ha de kwa wodi dim saa na wakofu bi abrante na ha de kwa because awade no nim ho mache niema wasi e kire no wanhunu enne gesi o mu from who slay queensi obi anwam be sia ba kro nim onum no they know their right. Omo person we independent. Sana me ba mate. O person we independent. Who children sa ama faha. Ofiso nimichem. They think we are stupid. They think they were so smart. Nti sani pa no pebre. Who children sa fadi and faha. Never boa uno. And nam so ofiso we nyini chen wo brain si chen nti on pebre. Me papa so ne bu ne be wo so de won pebre no bram pade so da gese ntie futuo na so tie futuo anko obi papa kokum de okopre de ho obi papa hwe be bia mo wira koka ntie tete wo fie de what they say. That's how they talk. I know my rights. Woo, vision. Oh, when you saw what calculated me to say down the road, Ubano, ebe buano, no go other way. That's how they do. Until by all means, they will become slave queens. Because I will also reach to your demands. Humbleness, they don't have it. Or papa se fa or se me fa. Papa so munua, wonu ton kwanta mapai. Mami wo munua, eno. Ti de bia me come se me wo be ware me ba. The things that I'm me de kan yi ho ma. Di kan ye wo dwuma wo nkobo me sobo. Na me kwanya mche na tete me. Nti wo quality ti bi wo me mu a eye de kwanya mche didua me mu na e manifest e na unyame so aye madom e na wo hia me na wo de ne wisdom ni nyansa ne nim de aka me ho nti me ye package eye obi adwuma wa ye na ne me de te a se mama me wo kwan a nka de wo huni ka wo hu de wo tie ka ante nti so obi pese ye polish no be dane gold wo mfiti preko penye gold wo ye de wahye fam ye yi wo to won ma ye de che obi kro mpe ye de wo be fagam ne asiesiu na wat sa yira mo wat yira na no obi hu ano ne kon ado na sa wo so wo mpele me fam fagam ensiesiu wo nya wo kamade a ene kwan na wanim asamananko. They think say you go aware for beauty. No way. Enya when so awon fe o debi o. Sa. Gande ni bi tonum. O se wan ho fe de ubeko. Na wo su bamboni de wa ba fie. Wan ho fe de ubeko aware ase. Na wo su bamboni de wa ba fie. Eyi su ban o. Awon fe de say na ye ton store. And no be really a theatre now so person or theatre was doctors will be or Marcus go about degree. We want to change you when you mean how we are mistaken. Mammy changing in money pass messy. They do. So a person I can call moon a big crowd is bleach would to meet them to say yeah, and they say who swimming on the yeah, who never was near wrong. And see, I don't forget it. And then the dabon say time in the pebinim dear. I'm yet to be said the penim. It is always will be as a son anymore. I command on the general. Ni subayo no say that here. Say. Necessarily per one she bibi. Now kokushia boys here. Or no one trap of pebia nasia manantechino. Jimmy plus Jimmy. Nti equals to who? Who to Jimmy? Wano fede uko wano sutiwe wanyu bia manantete no nti wano ankasa wonim bibia ho maache wankasa so nim na mumie no mabeka hye edi ne besie hwie be 6 months awade ne begu enkoye so what especially this time crowd ya yidwe because papa phobia ni jisika ho sense wo mbetete wo mama mama phobia ni jisika ho sense wo mbetete wo mama wo mo boa boni wo mo sagu boni so se enye tu be hu na tadi bi ehye na wo ba atadi nye ekuya na tadi ehye wo yose o ma mo de mo twem. Yes, this is how we dress. What's wrong with my dress? Will be much. Or funny bag lectures. Guess you on the slave queens equal school. No mushians and the Jumaka one keboa. Nkawenya by mo Juma nyaka ba wa meso nsa no Juma. Nso guess you do mo koto Juma so menye. Wo nyansa as a mother, as a father. Wo nyansa said debi me bana ko school wo nim de onimade. Ye ba office ye dwuma obetumi aye nemum ma be sponsor no na me mani hie bibi wo ne nsa no so what you say ne tene bi aha ni ye a wotumi afa we e de aboa ne kunu ana na yere ose dabi sade pamu na ade no koya otimi gyan no wagya ne mfidie nyina ho nko ho biem ni nyina ne se wo ye bigger than adwuma no omo mpebere wo guess him pebere nti de bia they want somebody who will take care of them. Onyenya will be so take care of no be ni wo be kan asase so obetie wo be putu ne fo mensu abum ontie wo da ni nyina ne se the open will be the man ni we fi so from wo yi until da slave queens yo magidi enye se binom ni pa me ni papa nke wo se he wo mo so entie o na da no wo mu big slave queens ene wo mu pebra kwadjlo ntia ibi kuro ma me no woni bi so koi wantuma fo anko no woni watiti ne mowrem no se bi akosua adwuma enne em kam ye se wakusku kaka na sua adwuma Ghana ne aya sresem ne yesreso enye nchen slave queens yi gay yo so ye slave queen na minim se mintumi ntua me dan ka mafidie na si wi me pomatade ma wo bi a social media da woroma metuma ton ne menye sika they won't learn, they don't know nothing. Ne die ne se sika ne guo no kokoti bi ne kokodi yen kan eno yenyi ye wallet ne de ama sika ne gu box no no koyi di obetumi adie nti ade bia so wa mre ho no udi ne nyafunyafo mfa nyansa nto gese babro papa foi soso enam se wo ma genya me honti se mo beji di obetua mo dan ka sa mo tua o mo dan ka na chese because of you nti no mo pay ma ho nti di mo bo o man na mo yende mu wachi ni enso fa me boa Ghana for get sim pedjuma metuma ka say 99% obum pedjuma ni mo reseti ni bi ade efe bia wo pebi by so be ye djuma pa onye utuni fono no kan bi foforo unim nyansa obetumi fra wo gi nyansa wo awo bananka wo inject wo nyansa ne bia ma no so ntie wo. So what you see? They love the beauty of it, but say awani ye bramiant na no enye in bayira nkolajo enye komo sa, but they don't listen. They think to the one to the phone one person they one na kan wo ye but they wo kan onu onye meme mami no to mami bi say me na meme si wono na me nchele psado sa nipa no me na wo ye nya de ye be grida me nya de ma chiama wo nsi ye mu bi ye so wo so ne ye de fe wo utimi ku tue sika wo baby kokoye wei o se me nya megai ye no sa ku tue sika foforo wo baby o se me nya megai ye me be wo ha mi o me be wo no wo ye akola ne tiana no ho pose che nya mami anoto wo me sika be dante carefree na kam de beto sa no kai carefree be that is podam kora baby udi agroso me disgrace wo me friends you no me sia na me fe e we sia fo nya me de waboa me pa me se me bei ya wo ye pa me se wo ye o ye papa me ba beka o ye bone sa so na me ba beka mo ge na mutie no ama ontie futu ya muntu ne fu ya mano enye komo Junior sorry ya waye niema fata me benye na de bia na no mano eda ni din so me bodi nkyere mu yi me papa ne bu ne be wo se swonti ene wonwam tikopo swonti ne wonwam na tikopo ti wo ho be hia na brabo ni swonti nti o ka brabo ne be koye wontie futu nti na ye basa so pia montia no ye nim fe me de me exposu make because me who se groli abed dim kwase asema make nti me de na di nkosese ma menka ana kata de so ne bi obi de me nya sa bi na papa pani na ada ne kuku sekuleti usuche how the mama no say no feel mama no wo feel say na mama ni feel odia nkanye kukuom we tu de sekuleti wo social media and why so because you couldn't be hwe your money be hwe nti wo koye bi osi nti we su na mu hu bi da wo mo pese wo force ye ya na ye giboni to say ye now people they want to force us to embrace sin and kase bonin eye ade we na mo nti bi da ye nyintum so what you say ye nyintum wo be ye boni wo be tu ne fo obe pa o chaw nso na de wo pa o chaw no wonyae oda so ye nti nye disrespectful ye no one say na me na papa pani e ban ni nyina security o me ni o that security na de national security which one now koda aboduma ye funu ba be yina to abonten he woni kama di agoro watafre wanu so we respect with dignity there is no way so what you say he asem bia wonya me be pambia he so wona me wonya me kasa twon firi we ho e be kunti no se twon firi ho e be kunti nti wo se twon firi wo te se ma obo kokosa ni we jaya e kire sa de kro no e be se nti a so ya puye nyankopon na wo po nyankopon nyansa wo nipa se nyansa nye degree se nyansa enye degrees se nyansa nyina bebia wo gina wa brabonum no nyansa firi wurade wo nti ukoti papa ya wo mo bo bebrebe ya wadi na practice because nyansa bia na wo se papa bi di fidi wo ne ba wan fan fidi no nyansa bi maame bi na wo so di fidi ne ba wan fan fidi no obi soso ye fidi no so wo se wo ntie yo be ya no be sai ni pa no so ye nkata na de jaso dabi and pollution fani ma wo bi wa bra woni chia se nipa no ni suba wo da ne die nye ma nipa na so nte e bia beauty no hu ne ye ne hu ofo secret e wo ho na so nte na kina bi wo mu no sa boys yi sha se wo di watama no sha se wo ye fun party wo ye fun te sa wo maame uni wo ye fun te sa uni me mpese obi be didi matem to be me pe problem bi wo bia me yama so pa fako ne china so unim na bebo mkwadu asamato won bibi kwa wutu obi funa say don't say it eni ye no mo de mo hwe ye 40 45 50 boys no mo de mo fam oni mo fam firi o mra fam na mo hwe se etisen adwene no emu se di mu dosity en se nye di oni mawurade a na kakakra se nye di oni mawurade pa sister brother na kakakra ubre agese di oni mawurade na urade di nyansa man na di nka wo so wote a wante no na urade aboa no ne bible ya wo wa no a ne di ne si good road no so sa anye sa ne ye pochafo nsa jiamfo ibi e ma fodiefo ibi a e jamamofo ibi di ani wo wukura keye so what you see what they know is their makeup they were good at it and not they're excellent obey makeup no ma be bonsem the way obe dress half naked the pia bonte and no dey what I kwadura no yin mirika and no dey omu guess ya there but chinitra say next one ye nkwan adano enfie wura ntu akramo betu anwa mo kra wonti fufu kra wonim kan wosi ye wura nkwan mo bo bebre shawo biase wosi da bi menye uya baya shepenia se no wontete wosi da bi mia me di me so sanse usansunti uye wadwe se wa obi di ho so a there's so many mistakes I will be making. So what you see until the yes nipa we be show biase because enne when to man show ma me no papa se uko wari antimi show kuna se untumi no way so when to me amra wo ho ase an show na no waja ompanimfo ase na chene bi uko wari there's no way so bit ma show kuna se but guess in person mbebra wo ho ase show biase they say they know their rights. That's what they say. They think we are stupid. Because you two guess if you know muti and Kenyan slave queens in baby. She and my sister, for one say you man for one to a home for so. Now I'm offended a bit chum. No bit is a Mauritia, no, I did the organ and I'm TV so. Nina and I said, oh, no, wait. Where you? None of TV so near Bona Body. Obi is something serious. They won't bring it to TV. Mammy not to me Obi will TV power with mommy at time. Obi bet me cheer for free. And now some Bonia wood in a Macobosuntino. Me who may he on yet. But my slave queens in ye no from a trouble they will show it off. But in ye no, what's dear won't promote to a jamamo. Now tell Yanko Possum. Dear. When you speak like this, they don't like it. They don't. They hate it so much. One fan cry. One fan. Your Bible no call at the same. Emibusem. Chapter 1. Emebusam chapter 1 verse 7. O se Awurade suro ne nimdie mfitiase. O jimifo bu nyansa ne nkyerɛkyerɛ animtia. Awurade ni suro ene nimdie mfitiase. O jimifo de obu ede se nkyerɛkyerɛ no obu animtia esanse wo jimintia. Nipa jimifo san chirichiri ya miyi wo be bune ni mutie ni nyina se wajimi sanity wan ka se nyansa mfiti ase ni degree o debi o wan ka se nyansa mfiti ase ni PhD wo se ene Awurade suro because nipa wo suro Awurade a wonko bone ho nipa suro Awurade a o kye ne ho firi bone ho nipa suro Awurade a o fa ne yefunu mu ba ma to ne kukum nipa suro Awurade won fa obi yire nipa suro Awurade a onyane yire won kobo adwaman onyane kunu ho enkobo adwaman nipa suro Awurade a won kobo nyaman ko yin nsentum hu nipa suro Awurade a won twetwe ne ba ma onye nipa suro Awurade sa nyeman onye da Yesu be pie o wi mo awon asem di BBC nansen ya mekan trumudifo ya Ghana ya yire ye ho ena se government no wonim pa let's will legalize gay any about to cry into you nso mo ti social media ena mo I say mo gigi trumudifo so atrumudifo estate camera se wo so anu ye ho message na mo hwe wo mo ye di wonyame asem no fusuo ye kronkron e chi ni pa fi gem ene ne konkwaje mu no eno de mo se mo mpe trumudifo iboduku betra se hwege e kasa na mo tie wo he me hwe sa na me se hwe mo so mo ye Christopher sa ho ene mo imbresi wonyame ya chi wade enuna ye boji wo muso ena wo ka cross ya emenka wo ka kan say de ne asamabo sa nansemu ache na mete asem bi se maami bi to Germany a wono no etete emmofra to become gays and lesbians maami panio satan no me were ready so many information no come reach maami ebusa na asem. They were so busy teaching these children evil and bad things. Na wo do ba fokra wo yem to say wo ye pani to say wa ko no so o tie bi a oba no be kan bi a che no defend the fakola no so won ko so nya de o so wo say this city wo setting yan say we obi adi mu no obi say wo fine don't worry about it. Saneko so therefore go social media they were doing things mutumi ko wo mon check ko tie di wo mon kan nyina ne say make sense nti wo mon ko wu na ne de mutumi kan tira wo mon nti tina bi wo ba na free school ba no wo se wo no so sa na ote a na akoko asema kire no okoto de ne bodja wo nyenya nti de yefa mani nkontim prepare no okoto de ne bodja nti ne Christian love was a honey. E ko fa na fofra so wo kwaji obi kuni eji yo a mo se de wa yi wo breaking protocol enye mo kro ya mo se de wa yi nyi mo anso na mo so tru defo so enti mo ye two face na mo ye Christopher de mo bi di wonya mi chire nya no na mo embrace that yesu be pi wo wi mo anwa wasem di BBC sipa so ya bono a no di mirika no hwehwe sofo kira kwan nso to wo bone ade awurade mpe eno no oboa sa video so bi sa na ya wo mo hye o ye no mse de mama no tomfa na sem fam firi wo kono o sese di wonya bone da no to bo mo ba no ade Yesu Kristo oba boni yefo oba o ene enko yi oyi esampakafo ne asofo se ye nyedai o se ye dwuma ne sai o se die na ye dwuma na ne die he die ne ye nyai ne nkola ne betene fia ya abortion o mo be ya abortion o Moso mo agi mu mfidie na mo nko hospital ho bi mu a say de o moso mbe ya abortion wo fie Enti bibi wo ade say Proverbs chapter 5 Proverbs chapter 5 o se etirase wo se adwamamo ho kokobo o se me batie me nyansa Brawaso asema menti ase na ne hwe odwama o se na hwe o se wa hwe odwam adwe na wa hwe adwempa thank you so na wano akora nimdie na oba na nani ano echiri ewo esoso na numu ye tro sene enwo na numu ye tro sene enwo oba na nani na no chi se wo esoso itira se wo se adwamamo kokobo nti ne che se adwamamo no enye nti se enkaya nko mfa ho kokobo mase ye mo kokko dwane firi ho oba na udi no agro oba woni hwe nya ne na dawo oba ti woni mu hwe odi bu ni jimifo so woto ne bo ase so obedada wo a wona wote se hwan odo bebafo nti se obehwa emema kra omu kuku dura omu ye yi no emma na ede omu bafo ubekom na ni week oba ni week ni sipa e oni free sanity ti mana mu hu onsa no ye nye sa kwa nyame na ya adom ena ye mu bi Kristo aba me na na kan Kristo aba na koko agya hene Obaba ko betumi bring the whole nation down. So what you say? Obaba ko pe betumi ama why you useless. Nti ye catch us hwehwu yi. Oba na nani ho, oba dwamamofo. Na no echi se wo a esoso. Ese de pa na so chira samani. So what you see? Be wise. Be very wise. Stay away from women. So stay away. Now when you and one drink could be cool. It is a try ye. Now why you Christonia? Yeah, then I mean swati. So today ye. No one will baby in a misu when more. The Biaco got to the name of Fasadama ready. Cause we make cool easy. Who done in 76 Kushia? Who be your more boss? Who from the cake a cold over fast one? Yam more maybe a second carpe. Do she or bar? No, somebody me a Christo ni, me pep bonia, no one danyan coupon sit in treaties abam. Yes, I be faithful. Or backers will match what you will suffer Kanya Mini. When I saw Sham come, we a general overseer one. So backers will be match or will be general property. One word, Sakarawaji. Yes, but intimate beauty one not that. So Baba Cookas will be more miserable. Who be your more promise to be with them. To be wise. Remember more maybe omoye Christopher nyame na hu mobo nyame dom ntia. E come chere. Ye kan trekisia. Ah, na something eti e de say. Cruise yi pen. Omoya yinya no. Yesu ni fidie o ha ye no we. At long last, na wo so oba mum na wo so mo fam. Weaker vessel. A wicked vessel no see high no a queer Delilah Black say. They say something, they say, yeah, Obaji say. To what you say? Just a common Delilah who call something for so many from saying team. We have a tools, but some of us we don't know how to use it. We are abusing our tools. Tito be me who be was who kum nanim. Ubekum no or we are for more bar or we are say baby calf. Ubekum near man feeding bottle. Baby calf and ya common. And you said you Mr. Winnie. And then we could be a child to you. We are living in a dangerous time. Oba beju tuya to form. Ube your mobile. And man you do and a map and or money be cool. Do and a man fokum and when be cool. Don't. It be cool. Nka Solomon ma me mfa futu ima. Se me batie me nyansa. Bra waso se ne ma mente ase. Ma ne no hu de wo ma mu ti wo frɛ ne ba no. So to the phone one come said. So what you say? Who send the banner follow the Papa David footsteps until also to the phone. But mammy fubin too. So Solomon mammy the way. Cause who a choir, not David Namso, Tina was so she Solomon who to the phone. Yes, I was so for the same road as a member. Dear mammy, no, ye. And to the bay. You know, you re you come, my honey fan. Nti I a cotton one. Nti near quiet papa fa so amoa. Ti mami ntumi bayifo nti wo wone ne ba no. So ne mami fu be brave. They don't want their children. Onka obeye din. Wotumi wo pass ni kura no ne ti su banya. Eno an ne ba dey practice wo ntuni fu da. Wotumi wo se ne yira no ne tie no. Ni su banya tan. E wo se ku ntuni baba ne fu. Ntuni fu da. Onye. Obeso so ne so ma na koso di boni. Tubo said you only be 24 no na be yetamfo na di won tufo no yes won ne dobe pako brani tibi de ne bako store e ko toto adwamanfo tam e de man ne ba se won hye wonu afa ne ba de ne ko store ko to adwamanfo tam man ne ba se gine hye e mani bi so sa Timiti when the amasha moto mesimi enkosto makoto edwamanfotam nam de amano de na me pa kire me pese papa fo yi bia wo mutim bia ubi enhu me ba no o kon no no nkoda ne papa sa sukuku so what yes emu bebre eni mafutu de emu bia fam amwaye no we are watching our back people want them to go through the same thing. But you who say, Bibi will yet ntikia buoni panamana and Nima Kuye, they won't help. They will rather let you suffer. When it's you, so obey your one sister, and is to buy yet, mammy to baneful unto the four. When it's you, so obey your one brother, Nisubane and yet to the four, Katrano, Bawonka, no painted white. It shouldn't be no suffer. Na mama abi wo bi otifie ne yebo ne bayi enkoyo it's time for us to change cause your man ya so dainty your man so say utu nyame so tua wo ba wo maso so wo be mo bose you don't show love so what you say no mo bo bebre no be better. Hey, you want to when you money down on to bomo we news. Slay queens and then me mama starting. You are in danger. Say more danger. Or more the more by sacrifice. More by your because more. Say when you come in video or near fat guides and not doing a baby me open. When you have do video baby until was so dear chain. What a cancel was a video be or no show me and said that you will be good and you must say some rough. Just some more sacra. Say will be cool. They say move the danger. Who did you go? Woman who says, say move dibia bomb to say no, or move form of one jelly. Or no day you know yet obey you know who's a video be a pig man or cool. The food is soon to me, so I make us and now be to me. It is late quaints and move be woo. Ye be kunkum. Or be one old day we will see quite so friend or friend bodyguard Mukushia Baba and would do an Mumian and Munkuno. Ye Baba me on Fena da can or Toma not them. Now they were going to do that because of you, you're bringing them down. Mrs. Woman Baba wants she can bring the government down. You see. She can bring a whole government in Ghana. She can bring it down. Did you hear that? Into a move before Mwajiri. So what can we bring the government down? That means she have information. What informations? I will bet to me so they are bringing it down. Until now, almost they will position themselves. What about talking what to fear now? Oni mu location baby a onam nyina tama wo de da obi bia baby a wonenam obe hyenkofo e be ku secret ye beba na da oka mu obi emia watwe moja ne yekọ nti se mo fi se mo ni age mo ye talk of the town there ene mo ntoyi to ma mo hia fina da ka bunia no no mo be hyase kunkum mo charity sao mo hwe age bia wo Nigeria Regina Daniels was someone ni papa says so nature say ono kwa de waware no o de on ka se won de waware no mpo Akwala su kono ma. Meti maka 60 years. Ko fast to no 20 bo. Na social media, how do you call your husband? I call him my baby. Oh. But when we see them, we call them our fathers. And these girls are calling them their babies. Into what kind of brains did the baby have to give it to us? Those babies, what kind of brains do they have to insert in us? You see them, they come with bonyo face. But when you go to their secret places, they call them their babies. Janye jamamo na Yesu Kristo wo babiem okuta na katua wo de bro bia se bi nyumate. Bible says just nyina you copy Kristo atemudwom na du bia na ni padua so ye papo bonio nkase obi ayi bi so so koye bi. Don't do it. Send na wo no baby keka twaso. Send na wo kwotwempra jai. Send na wo bo wadwempo so kwotare obi kunu anemi tufo jai na da wo afa. So what you say? And that will work. One she would do life be just so. Mammy phobia, woman in HIV did that damn. You woman a cofaba, who na cofaba. Mammy phobia, you boo good damn, and maybe woman no so. Because of Umukun, me too for pa, Yansani. Ne bray woman, a yabreboni, no one timon shaman mano. Na say dear, yeah, teach you how to abort babies inside the house. Tidro na John Nyame who says if you are you soon, they didn't echo you. Obeko na ma she ayi e de say akuya. Ya ene e de say adwo chan omusha kona ho. Ya kire na kwan wo mfa so nya abortion. No wa chim ne ba ne pia ba se hu. No de she politin bag mu de pia bot. Be wise. Mun sheye mu mano. Mun sheye. Catch a woman says, "Oh, to show Bema, one lose virginity." Yes. Never on idea 24, Genesis 38. So, we could share the sperms to go yano when you come no. Catch You're living in a dangerous time. A bride the powers among collar. Penny 4 penny near the monk and their sham colansum. Until how far can a kid go? You lose your dignities, we give it to small children. Now, to the way be Mukasakra and Nkoye, in more him. Just almost ya crane be crowd back, cry the old episode on come. Who few con and Nimka be cried, who saw we have brewo. They want young girls, when you would hear. What room pens will be called about one? They want just little kids, the ones who doesn't know nothing in life. Those are the ones that they love. They strip naked to these children. You know one that says the same color about woman who know. Ah, now who found me? Who sorry, who now be down I am Mister. Miku, Daddy. Who now can cast out? One fan who cry. When you be our Niso, one our friend and Daddy. So I said, what be fear me here? Daddy is coming, please get everything ready. Daddy is coming. He said he will eat fufu and rerem kwaino. We have to settle the table. Hey, please, get this. Yeah, Daddy is coming. Daddy, you're welcome, huh? He's somebody's baby. Your daddy is someone's baby. I can't so to feeding bottle. But that will be now so you baby careful. On farm. We are living in a dangerous time. And simply say no, we are having no better view. Cause one my yes, one my role model, yes, she be a few or no, and Yammy, or Mumu be near me being coy. Near me being coy. Miss Raya Mammy, Mrs. Kandapa, Omfa boniche. For boniche. Nyame na di wasamama. For boniche na sa ka ukunu beta wo bi. Enwini entia no. Fa che ne ka no beta wo. Enye hwe. Wona aye ya ka samaba. But enye hwe. Jemu ni nyina ma ne nka emuru ni nka nsem wo wakomum na aka be ye adwuma. Don't do it. Forgive and forget. Obi had the videos ne brewa. Don't take it anymore. Enough. Obi pesa o ma wadwini bi do this to your husband, do that. We be pekrono onko ono. Cause one na bobre film ne tenten nye ne na ube ja na chidie. Enye net na besesa niema. Enye net na ube peni wuo. Wafumu fachen. Awari ni jeni ne bia no. Said the bear will be free with TV so. Mammy, what worry if you say was my worry for 10 years. Now for Jenny no when you be a country a chilima. But so when to me and take you idea, nay busa who worry say no one to me and found call me here the you can't say anything. Timesre. Yeah, mammy, meaning say people are talking about your husband, but they forget to say also oh because we'll be chimpana keke obi. Or chimpana keke no me say one thing and say gay ya wo you kebe obi su say you be na mama wi o chim duku yi ne so ma de nyina bu hoi make up ukura bo mfa bia nkanani be ti ni shoot say you be wuo ni nyina ne say ne mpana kofo oba foforo na aware hey it's very painful ti me sere wura de say wo hu ye maame no mobo omfa ne nsanto na koma pono so na ye papa no so me sere no so ni ma wura de a e kan fu Jesus Christ among okura de wankum Bible mu David ye bi okum Uria yere okum Uria efa na yere onu ne ho kwa awurade anim no ko bom pa yesre awurade de che ti mesre enya wonko a wo de ne first one e bi si Bible yi mu by your church was said be nsen na ho na ye de atufo na wanko hu bi nti mesre so ko nko to dwanim ne sre awurade sa ofa boni bia anchaw na awurade de chawa eno ne the most important o man de chawa de eno de ntru di won kwam mu awurade de chawa eno the most important thing ne power yire so chaw because ama nani munyama bafom so what you say ukunu jene ne ho abonten ne beta abonten ema wani munyam bafom eni ti pa maame no so chaw ne ko nkokuom ko pa awurade chaw ne awurade mfa woni chaw obi ne nsem wo bra wo asem ko akọ nanim a obegyew obone no nson sen Yesu Kristo be wu asenia no so nti ye kan we anya futuo na kyene bi obi so ko ho ono so etu ne hofo na wo stay away eni nti mesre wo nsa in your presence of your children be wise. They were going to do they will practice the same thing. Wo fam ma wa saso wa bra wo yire wo be wise. Be very wise. Eh, mammy, no chona, the minimum could have na o man o madi fie say. A true age be honum crampa, and you couldn't shia a color presence. Me found only die could out them. Tia break you, baby. Maybe be clean, Yamusa catafoya, ne back to one woman from who living room. Don't do that. Be wise. The see to me, yes, I'm your ever boy, I'm a near Makuye, am I? Mr. Reddy, so won't we in a move? And neck a crabby say, a beer and yammy out the much in a moon. Assuming a quay year, you could see February more. You guys will see me again, and we will come and continue the work of God. It's in TA, or the 4 in Yachaswa. I know my catcher on. America for you teaching man how to do abortion from home. Munhe, o mona for baby o mona teko. Guess no, munhwe wo mu yi na muntutu omfo. Mun kan kire o se di unyankopon. O se no me. Enka di o sanka awurade afa na fi mogam. Onyame asem wo di kan di no me ato sa nipa no so. And it is one pen no me a, stay away. Jesus Christ made our sister wedding kunim and the dance. And when you're my young come for them to me, oh dear. Made our send the day one mama quenya. The source as to me, Manico was as a passo. Na and so mo home, I am for us. Yet I was to send the days wedding kunim. I don't.